Hello guys, this is the 2018 AMC 8 problem number 19. In a sign pyramid, a cell gets plus if the two cells below it have the same sign, and it gets a minus if the two cells below it have different signs. The diagram below illustrates a sign pyramid with 4 levels. How many possible ways are there to fill the 4 cells in the bottom row to produce a plus at the top? Okay, so let's first look at this example. So we have a plus at the very top. So that means the next two cells, the second row must have 2 pluses or 2 minuses. Okay, and then from there it's just like a matter of counting. So as we said, let's consider some cases. Case 1 is where we have a plus and then a plus 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 followed by plus. Okay, so now for this, in order to have 2 pluses on the second row, in the third row, we must have everything the same sign, whether that be 3 pluses or 3 minuses. So let's consider those. Plus, 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 minus, minus, minus. Alright, so for the plus, 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 plus case, again, we need the 4 to be the same. So we have, I guess, 2 choices here. We can let the bottom row be 4 pluses or 4 minuses. For this one, this is now, we need to fill this up so that for each minus, we have 2 different. So let's think about how we can do this. So we want to use like minus plus minus plus, and we want to see how we can arrange this. So you may be like hesitant, you may be like quick and say, okay, so we can use minus plus here, 2 ways to arrange the minus plus, 2 ways to arrange that minus plus, so there are 4 total ways. But that'd be wrong, since that considers cases where we have minus plus plus minus. And if we have 2 pluses here, we know that the cell has to be a plus. This has to be a plus, and it's a minus, so that's no good. So we have to discount the cases where we have this or we have this. So of the 4 choices over here, we only have 2 that work. So for case 1, we have 2 plus 2 equals 4 choices. Let's move on to the next case. What? Okay, there we go. Alright, so now the next case, as we said, was plus minus minus. Alright, so how can we deal with this? So again, we want this to be all different from the minus condition. So suppose we were to have a plus. If we were to have a plus, then this would have to be a minus, this would have to be a minus. But we could also have a minus. That means this has to be a plus, this has to be a plus. So it looks like there are 2 different ways there. So, okay, so let's just, yeah, okay. So this is one case, and then plus, minus, 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 or plus, minus, plus, minus, plus is the other case. Okay, so now for the final 4th row, we want to have this the same sign. We could have minus, minus, or plus, plus. Let's first see. If we were to have minus, minus, then these are automatically decided as plus, plus. And if we were to have plus, plus, these are automatically decided as minus, minus. So this would produce 2 cases. And then over here, this needs to be a minus. So we could have, okay, plus, minus, or minus, plus. So if we were to have plus, minus over here, this part over here, then this has to be same sign, this has to be same sign, because these 2 are plus signs. So that has to be same sign, that has to be same sign. Similarly for this one, since we have a plus over here, this has to be same sign, that has to be same sign. So again, we have 2 cases. So we've covered all the cases. We have 2 plus 2 plus 2 plus 2, which is 8. So that's C, and we are done.